I didn't know there was something else out there.
My whole deal is I just get you try this stuff. So let me grab a bag. Pick a city around here. They probably are using it. Damn, I'm gonna put some gloves on. And I'll actually let you do it because I want you to feel this stuff. Just go along the whole edge so you can get it to come out more evenly. Yeah, there you go. And you'll see, like, this is about as stiff as it gets because of the cold.
It's actually a lot more malleable than our cold mix.
Right.
Even though it's
And that's been in the back.
Yeah,
in the back
and
of his truck.
I had this stuff from the bagging facility about 2 weeks out in the snow and rain and whatnot, maybe 3, and then it's been in the back of my truck for 2 weeks. If you use this on even a 40-degree day, this would spread more
Really
creamily.
easy.
This is exactly right. UDOT has told me that's their rule of thumb. 1/2 inch to 3/4 crown so that it gets in there, and really just tuck the sides so that it makes a nice even mash. All I do is I make sure I've got a good even spread, and then I've got the edges right. And then that's got a little bit of a crown, but I would tuck it in a little bit, so that we've got it, yeah. Because as the traffic hits and whatnot, it will kind of smush in, which is good. And then what I'll usually do after that is then I just drive over it 3 or 4 times and then let it be.
So you wasn't giving it a lot of gumption.
No, because once I drive over with the weight of the truck, will really like pack this stuff together. In fact, you're in position if you want to just back over this. That's like I said, it's only a few minutes. That's all you need to know.
Well, thank you. That's great. I'm excited to try it.
I'm not so much in sales so much as just letting you know there's something else out there that works really good.
That's good to know.